I might be able to bust this. I might do it. Let's see something. I appreciate you working with me this late tonight.
That's okay.
Let's see what's behind the spooky madness. It may be too wide to try to cover it all, but we're about to see. So that comes out. You have the app already pulled up on your phone?
Mm-hmm. No, you need to go to the other place, honey.
Mm-hmm.
Home.
No, camera. And then add. And then alter. Doorbell. And then we'll scan this. Okay, and that's this. That's one of these things. Go back out and come back in, I guess.
All the doorbell, right?
Mm-hmm. You should be able to do it from the battery. Why?
Lord Jesus.
Man, that's stung.
I know it did.
I missed the whole trip.
You didn't even sound fit for.
I know, man.
You were trying to sit down.
I was.
Well, I don't think you had it out, for one thing. Maybe I need to go in the house and scan it.
We can give it a shot. It'll be just this battery. Well, no, it'll be the entire thing. Let's go.